right, welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a healthcare work-from-home job lead for you. This one is very high-paying, does not require any kind of college degree, and it is mostly non-phone, the perfect combination for a healthcare position. So we are going to dive right on in. Just know the link, if you are interested in applying, is in the YouTube description box below this video. The company Stanford Medicine Healthcare is hiring a patient account representative. Now, this is a full-time position, 40 hours a week. Again, it is remote. It says within the United States, but this is going to be a basic billing and follow-up position. They are looking for someone to basically follow up on unpaid accounts. These are mainly accounts that have been billed to the insurance company and the insurance has not paid, but could also include some self-pay accounts where the patient doesn't have insurance or they've been billed their deductible and they have not paid. You're following up on unpaid accounts and you're contacting the payers, generally the insurance companies, either by phone or via websites. Now, this is where I say this is mainly non-phone. I am a hiring manager for positions like this with a different healthcare system, and most of the time you are going to use those websites that they mention. It is only when you cannot get enough information from those websites, you may have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call and call the insurance company and ask them to clarify the information you're seeing online. So it is not a call center job where you're connected to a phone taking calls all day. If you do have to pick up the phone and make phone calls, they will be on your own time. So you can work them around your breaks, your meals, your eating, your other activities that you do during the day while you are working. I know that's one of the reasons I don't particularly care for customer service phone jobs, is because I like to eat my lunch at different times, just whenever I get hungry and don't want to be chomping in somebody's ear. But you'll review accounts for possible underpayments, research the contracts, guidelines, and resolve the payment with payer. So you are basically trying to get the payer to make payment. You'll review Epic work list and edit accounts as needed. You may also work in the cash posting department, some posting different payments. Just whatever it takes to get an account from unpaid to paid and the payment showing in the system so the account zeroes out. Now, if this is something you're interested in, they only require a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is required. It says they would prefer 2 years of progressively responsible and directly related work experience. So they'll probably prefer somebody who has some kind of healthcare work experience or healthcare background. Above that, you need to have the ability to follow instructions, both oral and written instructions. You need to be able to analyze data in appropriate formats and keep accurate records. You need to be able to perform basic mathematics skills. Of course, you need to have some knowledge of computer systems and software used in functional arena and knowledge of medical reimbursement policies and procedures. Now, if this is you, this is the most high-paying job for a billing follow-up representative I have seen. Pay is anywhere from $31.53 an hour all the way up to $35.50 an hour. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.